So I would request them, I would request again now also, don't, please withdraw your strike.
Hadin kat tu kat ni sngi kajing sange tre jeng ki Nongtrei ka 108 na kadal jeng kajing le menti jeng ka sarkar bat ki bor pepenya jeng ka GVK EMRI ya kajing dawa ki Nongtrei ka 108 ban kentewi ka tulop jeng ki Nongtrei hak hanyo tarik mentau banai kelalingkot arjar arpoar usembut menteri rangba ka jelau ba preston tensong ula Kyrpad ya ki Nongtrei ka 108 bikin Weng no ya ka Jingiakhih jengki namar ka kta ikipat ba ka jela Badula ong ba unse kreni gijing dawa jangki haga cabinet meeting.
In fact, this issue is in fact totally different because every workers, they are purely a private. And of course, recently they met me also. What they wanted is that the agreement with that company should be ended because I think that agreement is to be expired maybe by the month of March. So I told them also we will see, we will discuss all these details in the in the cabinet. Not in the cabinet, I think health department will bring us all the details how to go about it. So I would request them, I would request again now also, don't, please withdraw your strike. We will look into this matter. As I said to you, because even the agreement is expired in the month of March, we will see how to go about it.